Headlight LEDs, are they worth it? Can it help our situation that we're in now? I don't know. But poor visibility can be extremely dangerous, not only to you, but also your loved ones, and not to mention those poor other drivers on the road. As you can clearly see, this vehicle could really use and benefit some brighter lights. Meanwhile, you've got the car, man. Stay tuned and we're going to see what it takes to get this little car looking good again and seeing like it's supposed to. So our more than willing victim is going to be a 6th gen Toyota Camry. Now the good news, if you have a Camry, all of these cars have the exact same light setup, so no worries if it's a different model or whatever. And they all seem to have these really dim regular beam lights. So let's dive in. All right, everybody, this is exactly what we're looking for. This is a way to brighten up our dark night. All right, so our friends at LASFIT, they have sent this is for the 07 Camry, which in that generation is going to be on up there, I think to 12 or somewhere in that neighborhood. Our guys have sold over 400,000 of these suckers, so they must do something right. And to be honest with you, I'm going to put a link on the bottom of it, and you just order away. I got nothing but confidence in these guys. They're super fast delivery, nothing but professional. I'm liking them, and you know what? We did a test run, and man, I'm impressed. I think you guys will be too. Let's check it out. Let's see what it takes to install one of these. Guys, this is really just 2 simple steps. As you see, I've already taken the bulb. This is the old bulb, standard bulb. Nothing wrong with it. And it just has a little twist and lock. It's kind of hard to see right here, but you can see how the grooves are right here. And on the back, a simple depress. You just depress it, pop open the release, and that's it. And the other one just slides in super. Let me see if I can get my hand out of the way. And you just want to kind of feel for it to lock in place. There she goes. Okay, so all we really need to do now, she's locked in place. This is this simple, literally this simple. And then just plug it. Well, got to plug it in correctly, but you do have to plug it. There we go. All right. That's it. Tuck it nice and back out of the way. Make sure she's nice and secure, and she is. Okay, so let's do a quick light test. Go ahead and turn your lights on, man. Let's see what they look like under light. These are 5400 lumen lights that are set over top of this car right now, so they're going to drown out the headlights. But let's just take a look. As you can clearly see, the left and the right are completely different. One's dark and one's bright. All right, fair enough, my man. Go ahead and kill the lights. All right, so now we're going to see we're in the middle of the dark. Let's see what happens. Go ahead and hit the light. Whoa, ho, ho, ho. That bad boy is, what would you say the difference in light is? Alright guys, I'm going to say this is just an absolute win for LED upgrades. I think it wins, and LASFIT, thank you. This is a win. You can see the other video or beside this one, I'll put it up of the before, and it is just amazing. I can see everything. The reflection is amazing. I can't tell you, I'm kind of blown away. I've never been a big LED fan. Of course, I've never really looked into them. I guess because I'm old, but that's okay. I'm kind of changing my views now. This is pretty hot, and I like it. I like the way it looks, so thank you, LASFIT, and go ahead, upgrade yours. You'll enjoy them. Thank you so much for watching. Subscribe. We've got more stuff on the way. See ya.